Our meticulously crafted billboards feature a high-strength all-aluminum alloy structure, perfectly combining a stylish appearance with superior performance. Designed for various outdoor environments, they offer both durability and aesthetic appeal. Equipped with high-brightness P2.9 modules, boasting a brightness of up to 5,500 nits, they remain clearly visible even in direct sunlight, ensuring your advertisement is eye-catching all day long. Superior waterproof design prevents water intrusion and dust accumulation, extending the equipment's lifespan. Precision sealing and waterproof material treatment ensure stable operation over extended periods. An integrated intelligent electrical box system enhances overall stability and safety. CNLC enables accurate and efficient advertising in any environment.